Hey students, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is very important topic, which is choosing standard mathematics or basic mathematics for your class 10 board examination CBSE board. Now the thing is that maximum students are confused about taking standard mathematics or basic mathematics because they don't have good knowledge and right information about this processes. Standard mathematics and basic mathematics, these two portions, these two different parts have been created by CBSE board just for the sake of students, so that there are many students. Some of them are very interested in mathematics. Some of them are not really interested in mathematics. But up to class 10, this is the basic secondary education that everybody should have. That's why CBSE board has created a very good platform for all the students, so that everybody can at least overcome the situation of class 10 board exams. Now, what is the difference between standard mathematics and basic mathematics? So, I'm writing on the board so that you can get its clear idea. Standard mathematics and basic mathematics. Number 1, syllabus. For standard and basic, both same syllabus. Number 2, question pattern. Same. Number 3, preparation. During school days. Same. Number 4, level of questions. Little bit different. Okay. So look at this whole thing. These main 3 parts are actually same. Only the last portion, that is level of the questions in board exams, they will be little bit different. Like basic mathematics questions will be direct questions or direct applications of your theories, and standard mathematics will have a normal type of questions, what normally we had in previous sessions before the standard and basic have been introduced to us. Okay, so standard mathematics doesn't mean that it's higher level mathematics or it's like only about higher order thinking skill questions. No, not at all. Ultimately both are same, only the difference is between the level of the questions. Means suppose you have chosen for basic mathematics and you have chosen, somebody else has chosen for standard mathematics. Now I'm giving you one chapter, suppose arithmetic progressions. So arithmetic progressions, the whole thing, all the topic of arithmetic progressions from your book and the syllabus, you have to read both of them. Both of you actually, you and that someone. You both have to read everything. You have to learn it well. And when you are appearing for the exam, the girl or the student who has opted for standard mathematics we'll have little bit application based questions, and the basic mathematics you have chosen, that means you will get little bit direct type of questions. Okay, this is only the difference. There is no other difference in the whole pattern, or you can say the whole curriculum of standard mathematics and basic mathematics. Okay, so this is about the difference between the subjects part. Okay, coming to its advantage, disadvantage, many students and especially the parents are thinking that if one of means one student is taking basic mathematics, that means their standard or the level is getting low in the society. No, not at all. Okay, look, there are many officers, those who passed from humanities group or any other stream, maybe bioscience, not, they haven't studied mathematics at all. So the doctors, maybe they are very poor in mathematics. So normally we worship doctors, like nowadays they are like second god to us. So the thing is that you have to understand the importance of all the aspects of our practical lives. Okay, if somebody opts for standard mathematics, in future all the levels, all the paths will be opened for her or him. Okay, so for standard mathematics everything will be open, and for basic mathematics everything will be opened except the subject maths. You cannot go with the subject maths right from 11 and 12 and in further studies. So wherever in higher studies, means after higher secondary level, if you want to go with such a stream or subject where math will be treated as a core subject, you cannot go for that course. Okay, like maths is mandatory for engineering. Okay, this is mandatory for engineering, so you cannot go for engineering with basic mathematics. Okay, coming to computer applications where math is needed, so you cannot go there. Then some of the means services like merchant navy. Okay, then aviation department. So there are many top rank means positions, they need core mathematics subject. Okay, so all these streams you cannot opt for as you have passed with basic mathematics. The thing is that, main thing is that wherever core mathematics is needed, basic mathematics holders cannot apply for that. But there are many other aspects, many other jobs, many other professions, many other courses that you can go with basic mathematics. For standard mathematics, I'm not telling that much, because standard mathematics, if you are going with, then you can go with anything. But the thing is that if suppose you are not interested in mathematics, then why will you go with standard mathematics? You go with basic mathematics, because you will not be going for any subject or any course where mathematics will be needed in a near future. So you will be obviously going for basic mathematics, not standard mathematics. Because look, it is quite obvious. Suppose I'm opting for, I'm sure about that I'm going for such subjects or such a stream that doesn't need mathematics. So why I will choose standard mathematics? Because whereas if I'm choosing basic mathematics, maybe my percentage can be better. Okay, so this is the thing, is that you have to decide it now whether what you are going to choose in your future. Okay, standard and basic ultimately all about choosing the first step to your future, nothing else. Okay, so this is about what are the opportunities. Now, with basic mathematics you can opt for science stream also. Okay, science stream, but you cannot take mathematics. You can go with PCB, that means physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, physics, chemistry, biology you can take, that means you can take bioscience, means you can give NEET exam also, means medical entrance examinations. Okay, you can go with that. So these portions are blocked, but these are opened. Then you can go with humanities stream. There are so many subjects in humanities, you can go with any subject over there, and there are many chances after passing with humanities. Okay, so you can go with that also. Now look, the thing is that you can go with humanities, then you can come to medical line also, like GNM nursing. Okay, so the nursing is opened. This is a trending, nursing is now a trending course, you can say, because this year I heard from some of my students that means there are huge competition in JNM nursing course. Okay, so you can go with that also. Now look, there are two very big exam like IAS, or we always think about that if we had an MBA degree. So look, these two degree, IAS and MBA, these two can be done with any graduation. You need only one graduation. You can go with any graduation to IAS or MBA. Okay, after graduation you can apply for, means you can go for its preparations and all, and then you can give the exam. Standard mathematics I'm not telling, because you can go with anything for standard mathematics. Basic mathematics you cannot choose maths in 11 or 12 level, or in further studies. This is the basic difference. Okay, that standard mathematics will open all the paths. Basic mathematics will close only one path, that is maths subject. But there are many streams, many courses which can be done without knowing mathematics. NEET exam can be appeared with basic mathematics also. So there is no problem at all. During this time, you change your mind, or you observed that you have improved a lot in mathematics, or you have, means you have grown some very good interest in mathematics, you are loving the subject mathematics during this time after confirmation, registration confirmation, then what will do? then you will be deprived from mathematics subjects for the whole life. No. CBSE has given that chance to you also. Suppose you have passed with basic mathematics, but now you want to go with math subject in 11 12 level, then what you have to do? Nothing, just you have to appear for compartmental exam of standard mathematics. Standard mathematics compartmental exam. You have to just appear for standard mathematics compartmental exam. If you pass it, then again a fresh new start will be there. You can go with math subject in 11 12. So you might be choosing basic now, but if you suppose you grow interest in between this time till the board exam in mathematics, maybe you are not confident, that much confident now to go with standard mathematics, but you are confident that you can do better in basic mathematics, then you go with basic mathematics. And suppose you change your mind or you grow interest in mathematics subjects, then you just appear for standard compartmental exam. Compartmental exam, if you are opting for and you are passing it, then you can choose again the math subjects in 11 and 12. Okay, so I think I have given you a clear idea about that. Suppose you have chosen standard mathematics and unfortunately you failed. Unfortunately, I'm telling. Normally nobody fails, but still I'm telling, suppose you fail, then you can go for basic compartmental exam. Okay, if you are not passing, then you can go for basic compartmental. Okay, but if you pass standard mathematics with very low marks, suppose you have got just 36 but you have passed, then you cannot go with basic compartmental because you have passed it. So once you have passed it, that means there is nothing that can be done. Okay, means that can be recovered. So only the thing is that if you are interested and if you are really, you are thinking that no, I'm confident about mathematics, then you go with standard mathematics. Okay, this is about interest, about confidence and these type of things. Okay, this is not like the realistic things that the questions and all, like, no, nothing, because all are kind of the same, only level of questions are different. Now what will be your preparations? If somebody opts for basic mathematics and you are only completing the whole NCERT maths book, I would not say that 100% you'll get, but you will get a good marks for basic. For standard mathematics, NCERT is must. With NCERT, you do just start solving NCERT exemplar. NCERT exemplar. And with these two books, either R.S. Agarwal or R.D. Sharma or any reference book. Okay, these two are very well known two books, that's why I just taken their name, but you can choose for any other reference book, doesn't matter. NCERT and NCERT exemplar, these two books are must for standard mathematics, those who are choosing for standard mathematics, and with these two any one of the book. But only for basic mathematics, if you want to score good marks, I'm not telling 100, again I'm repeating, I'm not telling 100, but maybe, means not telling 100%, but maybe suppose near about 70 to 80% of good marks, NCERT is enough. Okay, so this is all about standard and basic. At the end of my this session, I would say, if you are confident, then only go for standard. If you are not confident, please go with basic, because ultimately your mark sheet will have less percentage. So that's all for today. I hope I have given you a clear idea and you have also understood. So that's all. We will meet in the next session with any other topic. Till then, bye bye.